Continued at the Valley today. Yesterday it was Vo Rogue, last Thursday Balili, and today star filly Kortza was beaten into third place in the Moonee Valley Stakes. Jockey Shane Dye was outpointed by Michael Clark, who rode Zabeel perfectly. But the filly will have plenty of chances for revenge, as the pair are scheduled to meet again in the Caulfield Guineas, Cox Plate and Victoria Derby. Let's go to the results of racing on a Sunday at the Valley. And the first was won by Romany, who scored at 7-1, defeating New Display and Tumble Down Lad. The winner backed in from tens. Just as Mean took out the second. Shane Dye was aboard this one. He overcame a slow start to score impressively, despite a betting drift out to 12-1. Eastern Classic, too good for them, much too good in fact, despite the big weight scoring at even money favourite over Fearless Jake and Delpic. Race 4 and Jet Fighter, a star at the Valley again.
Hall pulled the whip and now Jet Fighter drew about a neck in front of Beau Courier. Cameronic trying to reach him on the outside. Jet Fighter's finding enough though under pressure, and Jet Fighter's won at 3/4 Cameronic, Beau Courier third. Then
Jet Fighter has now won 6 races at Moonee Valley. He scored well at odds on today. Now the Moonee Valley Stakes.
When they sweep towards the turn, Economy and Sylvatic are still in front of Dr. Grace. Kortza behind them looking for a run, and Zabeel running on round the outside. Sylvatic took the lead at the top of the straight. Zabeel challenging Kortza, in trouble when they straighten up now. She's had to pull to the outside. Zabeel the leader. He's hit the front now from Dr. Grace. Sylvatic and Kortza down the outside. But Zabeel ridden out, and Zabeel's won it by 3/4 to Dr. Grace and 3/4 to Kortza.
An impressive win, and Michael Clark believes he could be the best he's ever ridden. But Kortza's connection's not disappointed, and she remains on target for her spring campaign.
Tinska's wide out, but Top Dance straightened up the leader. Lady Have a Heart trying to reach her down the outside. Top Dance is in front of Lady Have a Heart, who can't reach her, and then Dalmatinska, and Top Dance will go on and win it. Top Dance by a length and a quarter to Lady Have a Heart. In third place and coming on strongly at the end.
One of 4 favourites to win on Sunday racing. Top Dance at 9-4 with Simon Marshall aboard. And now to the second leg of the double.
Our Magic Man, Reputed turn just in front of Stirring the outside. Two to Staverdale, Our Magic Man. Reputed fighting on strongly, has his head in front of Stirring. Reputed Stirring, Our Magic Man finishing well. Stirring and Reputed fights on. Reputed won it by a half a head to Stirring, and Our Magic Man third.
Well, Reputed has never raced in better form, scoring at 12-1 over Stirring at 11-2. Our Magic Man third at 7-1. And the last went to Natural Wonder at 7-4 in favourite. She'd been beaten in races by Zabeel and Dr. Grace at her past 2, and they quinelled the Moonee Valley Stakes, so the form line very strong there. Now the daily double today, 5 and 2, $29.10. The extra, 7 and 1, $16.60. Quadrella paid $191.50, 154 and 2. And the quad extra 5421 paid $317.90. And over 15,000 people out at the Valley today. It was a very good day, Pete.
What was the reason for the racing on a Sunday, by the way?
Because no one goes to the races on Grand Final Day, you see.
Of course.
So we have a double header.
Silly question. Thanks, Greg. On to the weather, and what a contrast to yesterday. Windy